Hi, and welcome to Data Visualization and Recipes in Python by Theodore Petru, a video course by Pact Publishing. I am Drew Campbell, and I will be the presenter for this course. Theodore Petru is a data scientist and the founder of Data, a professional educational company focusing on exploratory data analysis. He is also the head of Houston Data Science, a meetup group with more than 2,000 members that has the primary goal of getting local data enthusiasts together in the same room to practice data science. Before founding Data, Ted was a data scientist at Schlumberger, a large oil service company, where he spent the vast majority of his time exploring data. Ted is a strong supporter of learning through practice and can often be found answering questions about pandas on Stack Overflow. Now, before we start, let's have a look at our journey at one glance. The first section, Visualization with Matplotlib and Pandas, introduces the Matplotlib library, which is responsible for all of the plotting in Pandas. It covers some basics of Matplotlib that will come in handy if you need to use it directly. We will then shift focus to the Pandas plot method. Next, we will move to Visualization with Seaborn and Pandas, which extends the first section by utilizing the Pandas plot method and then focuses on the Seaborn library, which is capable of producing aesthetically pleasing visualizations not directly available in Pandas. The third section, Time Series Analysis, covers advanced and powerful time series capabilities to dissect by any dimension of time possible. The fourth and the final section, Grouping and Aggregating with Time Series Analysis, is an interesting resource to explore Pandas' functionality to manipulate dates, aggregate over different time periods, sample different periods of time, and much more. By the end of this course, you will be able to create beautiful and insightful visualizations through Pandas' direct hooks to Matplotlib and Seaborn. At the same time, you could utilize unparalleled time series functionalities from these libraries. Or rather, we could say, you would prepare real-world messy datasets for machine learning. This course includes interesting and illustrative examples and delivers very detailed explanations for each line of code in all of the examples. All code and dataset explanations exist in Jupyter Notebooks, an excellent interface for exploring data. In other words, this is an easy guide with a problem-solution approach for real-world datasets. The only real prerequisite for this course is fundamental knowledge of Python. It is assumed that you are familiar with all the common built-in data containers in Python, such as lists, sets, dictionaries, and tuples. And you just need a machine with Anaconda version 4.3 installed on it, or you can download any other latest version. Let's not wait and get started with this amazing journey right now.